Hey my dear friends, how are you? So I've just started putting on the wheels on the Focke-Wulf, the Border Focke-Wulf, and I've noticed a problem with the instructions. So let me explain this to you. So you can see there we've got the open position and we've got this little part here, alright? Now you find those little parts on the G sprue and you'll see where they are. I'll show you the part again. But if we go, sorry guys, should be organised. So, yep, okay, we're at the instructions here where you do the wheels. Okay, so you can see there you make up those wheels. But it's only showing you how to do it in the closed position. Alright, now what you want to do for the open position is there's a part that's actually missing in here that you need to put in when you have them open. But they don't show you that here. Also, make sure before you put this part on that you install it into that hole first, have it open, and then you can glue that on, all right? Don't glue that on and then try and put it in, it doesn't work. Now, there's two parts in there that are not numbered in the instructions. And I'll show you what they look like. They look like that. And you'll be able to see it on the G sprue. It's got a little hole at the bottom. And then at the top, you can see it's got this little bevel there so you can put it into a hole. So that goes... So the wheel goes in the far hole. And then there's a middle hole. And then that part goes in the third hole. Okay, you can see there. And you want it to bend out slightly, so like that. I sort of worked it out looking at Focke-Wulfs, and I noticed that there was a part that looked like that in there, so I just worked it out. So I thought I'd just quickly show you that you will want to do it open. They haven't shown you how to do it, and they're missing parts that need to be added. But with that little instruction, hopefully you guys can work it out from there. All right, my friends, speak to you again soon.